Sir, sabi po ni Justice Carpio is that this is a violation of the UNCLOS.
Premature. Premature pa nga kasi hindi pa natin alam ang facts. Ang alam natin, initially, di ba, alam natin, iniwan. Tapos they're disclaiming it. O, may problema na naman tayo. Hindi natin alam eh. Buti sana kung inamin nilang iniwan. O, that's a violation.
So sir,
Antayin muna natin. He will be right kung totoo yung talagang iniwan yung mga Pilipino sa barko.
Okay. So sir, suffice to say that yun po mga demands to maybe ask China to apologize is also premature.
Eh kasi nga, wala pang facts eh. We have to know the facts first. Tama si Presidente. You cannot be responding kagad na nga. You have to know the facts. As a lawyer, yun ang training ng isang abogado.
Is that what he
And for
told?
that matter, kahit hindi ka lawyer, kaya bago ka magsalita ng isang bagay, tingnan mo muna, ano ba? Anong nangyari talaga?
Is that what he told you, sir? Yun pong this.
That is the position of the President ever since. Kahit na anong incident, palaging ganun. Let me know the facts first. Kahit na anong incident, whether internal or international.
So sir, to respond lang sir, so yun po mga criticism that the President has been silent, what do you say to that?
He's not silent. He's waiting for the facts to set in before he make any declaration.
As a matter of policy, sir, how much are we willing to do to protect the Filipinos?
Oh, as a matter of policy, we always say that we will not allow any assault on our sovereignty. That's a policy.
And we don't know
That
yet.
is unchanged.
And it's not because this is non-negotiable.
Which one? Of course, you cannot. Sovereignty is never a subject of negotiation.